My name is James Carter, and today I will be talking to you about the history of gold. Why has one metal been worth more than human lives for over 5,000 years? What makes gold so powerful that empires rose, fell just to possess it? Gold has no use for survival. Why did the world agree it was priceless? Was gold ever money, or was it always a weapon of control? Watch this video to get the answers to all the questions.
From the first moment humans saw gold glint beneath the sun, one question echoed across civilizations. Why does this metal command such power? Gold has shaped the rise of empires, driven exploration, sparked wars, and defined wealth itself. Gold's story begins in the ancient valleys of the Nile, where the earliest miners chipped treasures from the earth. To these early civilizations, gold was more than metal. It was a gift from the gods, a symbol of eternity, purity, and divine rule. As human societies grew, gold became the currency of kings and conquerors. From Egypt's shining temples to the wealthy kingdoms of Africa and the fortified courts of Europe, gold crowned rulers and cemented the power of the first great empires. Through centuries, humanity's hunger for gold evolved. From simple river panning to grand expeditions across oceans, the quest for gold has reshaped landscapes, fueled migrations, and transformed entire continents. Gold's value has stood the test of time. From ancient coins to modern financial markets, its price reflects not just material worth, but human belief. Belief in stability, beauty, and the eternal promise of wealth. In the Roman Empire, gold became the engine of an economy that stretched across 3 continents. Coins minted in Rome financed legions, paid taxes, and fueled a thriving marketplace where gold symbolized power, discipline, and civilization. Across the Sahara, African kingdoms built vast fortunes atop gold. In Mali, Ghana, and Songhai, gold caravans stretched beyond the horizon, carrying wealth that dazzled the medieval world and transformed global trade forever. In the 19th century, gold fever swept the Americas. Tens of thousands journeyed west, chasing dreams of instant fortune. The gold rush reshaped nations, birthed new cities, and turned rugged frontiers into booming centers of commerce. For over a century, the world's economies anchored themselves to gold. Nations measured wealth in bullion, and the gold standard created a global system where trust and power depended on the metal locked in vaults. Today, gold remains a foundation of global finance. As markets rise and fall, gold endures, stored in vaults, crafted into jewelry, and traded across digital platforms as the timeless safe haven of investors. From the rugged outback of Australia to the frozen rivers of Alaska, new gold frontiers emerged. These lands attracted explorers, prospectors, and pioneers who carved new settlements out of wilderness in search of glittering rewards. Wherever empires clashed, gold was at stake. From colonial invasions to world wars, nations fought not just for land or dominance, but for the wealth that gold symbolized and the power it could buy. In the modern age, gold became the silent guardian of nations. Central banks stockpiled bars in vast vaults, securing stability in times of crisis and anchoring economies with the world's most trusted asset. Gold entered the digital age through ETFs and online trading. No longer just a physical metal, gold became a versatile investment, fluid, accessible, and woven into the fabric of modern finance. Across cultures and centuries, gold has symbolized everything from divine authority to personal achievement. Its glow inspires desire, ambition, and admiration, an emotion that transcends borders and time. In Asia and the Middle East, gold became woven into daily life, adorning temples, royal courts, bustling markets, and ancient trade routes where caravans carried gold across deserts and mountains for thousands of years. The 20th century redefined gold's role in global power. Wars, treaties, and shifting alliances shaped the movement of gold across continents, transforming it from empire treasure to the backbone of international finance. In turbulent times, gold's value soared. Economic crises, inflation, and global uncertainty pushed prices to record highs, proving once again that gold shines brightest when the world is darkest. In the new millennium, gold entered virtual realms. Digital tokens, blockchain technology, and online markets revolutionized how humanity buys, stores, and interacts with this ancient metal. Through every age, ancient, medieval, and modern, gold remains a constant, a shining thread connecting humanity's past, present, and future, forever symbolizing wealth, endurance, and the brilliance of human ambition. Gold affects the human mind like no other metal. It ignites desire, fuels obsession, and inspires creativity. Across eras, its shine has captivated kings and commoners alike. History is filled with lost and legendary gold. Incan temples shrouded in mystery, sunken ships brimming with treasure, and ancient hoards buried beneath centuries of sand and stone. In today's world, gold symbolizes achievement and prestige. From Olympic medals to iconic awards, gold remains the ultimate representation of excellence and honor. As the world modernizes, so do mining practices. Today, the focus shifts to sustainability, protecting landscapes, restoring ecosystems, and ensuring that gold's future does not come at nature's cost. As technology evolves, so does gold. Digital gold, blockchain-backed assets, and futuristic trading platforms redefine how the world interacts with this ancient metal. In an era of volatility, gold remains a beacon for investors. Surging prices and global demand highlight gold's role as the world's most trusted long-term store of value. Gold's journey is the story of humanity itself, our dreams, our struggles, our empires, and our evolution. As the world changes, one truth remains: gold endures, shining forever across the ages.